Down Roper. Breaks through. Number 13, Isaiah Beard in pursuit, but this one's going to go all the way. Touchdown, Hurricanes! 19 seconds into the first quarter. Hurricanes had a 6-point lead, 6-0. Extra point attempt. Strauss back in as quarterback. Hands off to number 70, Ellsbury. Extra point attempt fails. At quarterback for the Packers, number 31, Braden Miller. Handoff, number 13, breaks through line. First down yardage. Ball carrier, number 13. Hands off to number 3. Met in the backfield by a host of Hurricanes. 5-yard loss. Packers emptied the backfield on this. Quarterback keeper up the middle. Gets back close to the original line of scrimmage. That'll be turnover on.
Get the ball, runner.
Number 75, ball carrier for the Hurricanes. Hand off to number 70, Ellsbury. Breaks through a tackle. In pursuit, number 3, Ricketts. Brought down. Touchdown saving tackle. Ball be stopped. Quarterback keeper up the middle. Met by number 85. Roper at the quarterback position for the Hurricanes. Keeps it up the middle. Met immediately by the entire front line of the Packers. Quarterback keeper up the middle, breaks through. Touchdown Hurricanes! Number 6. Hurricanes hand off to number 70, Jaleel Asbury. Extra point attempt falls short with 1 minute of the first quarter. Packers will take over at their own 40-yard line. 1st and 10. Ball's handed off to number 3. Breaks through one tackle. Breaks through another. In pursuit, number 6, Tayshawn. Quarterback keeper up the middle, moves the ball into Hurricane country. 1st down, Packers. Packers start with a fresh set of downs inside of Hurricane territory. Packers. Ricketts busting the line. In pursuit by number 41, Ty Plinsky. Touchdown Packers. 6:46 to go in the half. Extra point attempt by the Packers. The Hurricanes will take over at their own 40-yard line, 1st and 10. 6:46 to go in the half. Number 75, Jacob Strauss at the quarterback. Hands off to number 6, Roper. Touchdown, Hurricanes! Hand out to number 70. The extra point attempt is good. 6.
Good job the last time. Do it again.
Number 13, the ball carrier in pursuit. Roper. Touchdown, Packers! First and 10 for the Hurricanes at their own 40-yard line.
Alright, love you. Goodbye.
In the backfield for the Hurricanes, number 10, Cameron Kleiman. Quarterback keeper, won this tackle. Number 13 is in pursuit. This tackle going to be good for a touchdown, Hurricanes. Extra point attempt is good. Number 31, the ball carrier. Good for first down yardage. Pass to number 13 here. Sweeps around the both sides of the field. Number 6 is in pursuit. Brought down after first yardage. First down. Hand off to number 3, Ricketts. Met in the backfield, breaks through 2 tackles. Roper has him down at the original line of scrimmage. Snap is fumbled, met in the backfield, breaks through 1 tackle. Silverman for the pass. Roper in at quarterback for the Hurricanes. He sweeps around the far side of the field. Met by number 31. Miller still on his feet. Touchdown, Hurricanes! At the halftime buzzer, the extra point attempt for the Hurricanes. Roper drops back to pass. Falls incomplete at halftime. Ball fumbled on the snap, recovered by number 31. 10-yard loss on the play. That'll bring up 2nd and 20 for the Hurricanes. Ball spotted at their own 30-yard line. 7:53 to go. And up to number 6, Roper. He's around the outside of the field. Touchdown, Hurricanes! Extra point attempt is good. Ball fumbled on the snap. Pass is complete. Back to the original line of scrimmage. Hand off to number 35. Holmes. Out to the 40-yard line before being brought down by Hand off to 31, 5 Kingston. Dropping back to pass. Pass ball incomplete. 4th down.
Come on, Kane!
Hand off to number 70, met immediately by number 13, Bill. Snap just before the quarter ends. Handed off to number 13. Slides around the far side of the field. Brought down by number 6, Roper. That quarterback number 15, Jet Gross. Gross hands off to number 6, Roper. Gross is up to take the snap. Brought down by number 3, Ricketts. Hand off to number 60, Brady. Still on his feet. Touchdown, Hurricanes.
Just a little bit.
Number 15, the ball carrier. Brought down by number 31, short of the extra point. Snap taken by number 13, Beard. Hurricane 47-yard line. Snap is fumbled. Brought down by number 70, Jalil Alford. Pass nearly intercepted by the Hurricanes. Number 13, brought down by number 60. Hurricanes rotating to the quarterback position, number 75, Strauss. Brought down in the backfield by number